Whoever reaches the finish line first gets the Oreos. Let's go! Yay! We both made it to the finish line! Huh? What's happening?
Cool! Oreos are falling! Alright, you two, let's take these Oreos home and bake something sweet. Come here, Vivi. Today, we make a special delicious choco cake. I will mix the Oreo crust with flour, milk, eggs, butter, and sugar together. Put in the oven.
Let's play! 3, 2, 1. Wow, Skittles, I found them! Wow, so many Skittles! Yeah, let's bring the Skittles home! Hey, Mia!
Great job, friends. Let's make a super sweet cake with all these candies. Let's pour the jam into the pot. And boil it with honey. Then mix the cooked jam with butter and make a rich buttercream. Spread layers of buttercream on the soft sponge cake. Our cake today is colorful. It's time for the fun part. Let's decorate. Be skillful. We are almost done. The cake looks delicious. Tasty. Yummy!